Let me introduce you today to Timex and 1981 collaboration. This time Timex teamed up with a streetwear brand and from the UK to bring back a very interesting design watch from 1981, which we call Summer of Sports Project. It comes for $210 price, and this watch isn't just about the game itself, it captures the lifestyle and fashion surrounding classic sports. It's inspired by vintage menswear and Timex history with championship tennis events. It perfectly blends old school style with modern feeling. The watch, as usual for collabs, comes in co-branded custom box, and the moment you open it, the case immediately grabs your attention. It comes in 34mm, and if you're scared that it's too small, let me tell you, square watches always wears larger. The case thickness is 12mm. A lot of that thickness actually comes from a gorgeous boxed acrylic crystal that rises up the dial, which makes the watch feel vintage. Lug to lug is 40mm, and like I said it before, it does wear larger. But for me, the real star of the show is the dial. It has this icy blue, beautiful sundry dial that catches the light and gives the watch a soft glowing texture. I absolutely love the dial color. And if you look closely to the dial, you will see a unique symbol which looks like a wall globe. Well, at least I thought that. But that's actually an authentic vintage tennis emblem pulling directly from Timex history, the championship tennis events. Fair play to Timex for coming with such a cool idea. Totally changes how the watch looks, giving this watch an authentic charm. I absolutely love it. We got the Timex logo under 12 o'clock marker, and the end logo is printed on the lower half of the dial. And if you look on the case back, this is where you find the official collector details. It features clean engravings of both the end and the Timex logos, along with text marking it as a watch from 1981. This keeps the front of the watch clean and simple for everyday wear, while hiding special collaboration details in the back. In my eyes, I believe this is the ultimate summer sports watch. You can honestly wear it anytime, anywhere, no matter what are you doing or where you are. The only thing which might be stopping it from being a Gada watch, it's just 50 meters of water resistance. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'm sitting around 200 subs right now, so smash that subscribe button, claim that OG status, and help me reach 500 subscribers till the end of the summer. Thank you. Moving on to the bracelet, this is where that 80s aesthetic shines. It features a stainless steel, vintage style link design that is incredibly flexible and drapes perfectly around the wrist. Instead of bulky, modern clasp, it uses a classic sliding adjustment system, meaning you don't need any tools to resize it. You just slide it to exact spot and lock it down for a perfect fit. Runs on reliable Japanese quartz movement, accurate, quiet, and ready to go. Now let's talk about downsides, because there are a few things holding it back. First, it's quartz movement. Look, there is nothing wrong with quartz, especially at $210 price mark. But if they had put an automatic movement inside, I think this watch would be on completely different level. Second thing which I don't like, it's acrylic crystal, which does scratch too easily for my liking, especially for a daily wear watch. And finally, that 50 meters of water resistance. I think it really holds it back from being a true Gada watch. If they bumped that up to 100 meters, gave us sapphire glass, dropped a mechanical movement inside, I would easily pay double the price. It would be an absolute killer. At the end of the day, despite things that could have been better. Look at what you are actually getting. It's not a perfect spec monster, but it got this unique look, this retro vintage 80s vibe. It does look incredibly high-end and carries a massive style for a price. For $210, you're getting that beautiful dial, square case, which gives you an old money vibe. And from a distance, I believe nobody could tell is this is a $200 or $2,000 watch. With its unique look, a piece of history engraved onto it, it proves you that you don't need to spend $1,000 to have an incredible style on your wrist. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I will wait for your opinions in the comment section. My name is Cass, and see you on the next one.